Sedona. It's so pretty.
Are you using the video mode?
Yeah.
There you go.
Too many people. Sedona. Hi, howdy. It is Editing Tammy. So, I just wanted to chime in to give a little brief intro because this vlog would have been everywhere without context. I went on a USA road trip, kind of. So I started from San Antonio, made our way to New Mexico, Arizona, Nevada, Los Angeles, and then our way back to San Antonio. On the way, halfway, like 3 days into the road trip, Eric dropped both our phones into the Grand Canyon. So the story behind that is that we were kayaking. I gave my phone to him to check on the map, make sure that we're going the correct way. We were heading towards Antelope Valley. So we were kayaking and bloop. Phone is 300 feet into the water, gone forever. So that's the brief context. We went to Vegas 3 days later. We used the old-fashioned paper map, not paper map, we used online, and then I used my camera, literally my camera, to take photos of the map so that we wouldn't get lost. It was slightly chaotic. We made it there. I highly recommend everyone, if you get the chance to do a USA road trip, because it's a new insight for me. Being on the East Coast, we just have forests here. Never thought the US would look so literally grand. So highly recommend if you're ever in the States. On with the vlog.
Did you see the sign? Only reindeer can fly.
We're in Vegas! Okay! Let's go eat.
Fly to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what's
You? Are you 专家？对啊。哎呀。You know what bad ones are? You know what bad ones are? You know what? Right here. We are in Los. Oh, 好多人。Okay. Yeah, we're gonna shoot.
LA, we gotta go to Curious now.
Fish and chips.
It's good.
Do you guys want to get apple care for either one of the phones? Guys, we made it to Vegas. Got the phone. Got the goods. Finally. It's been literally like 3 days. I'm very sad because all my photos on my previous phone weren't backed up. So my entire Taiwan years completely erased. I'm very, very sad. Oh. It looks exactly the same as my old phone, but I got mine in silver. It's supposedly silver, and it's the 13 instead of the 12. I got the 512 gigabytes rather than 128. So hopefully this will do me well. Eric and I.
Date?
Date!
Date?
Date!
Date?
Dinner date! Christmas Eve dinner.
Strawberry eyelids, saffron hair. I'm scared of the things that aren't even there. Buck in a jam jar, only at the
1, 2, 3, Paris!
Oh yeah, 1, 2.
With the Paris!
jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time.
We're heading over to LA today. Las Vegas has treated us well. I really enjoyed it. Definitely wouldn't live here. We're gonna go to LA. We're gonna drive there and stop by an In-N-Out to get some lunch. 33?
43?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
Burger!
Yeah, why are you centered? I want to be centered. Me too, buddy. Wee.